Hello guys, Logan here at Logan's Typical Gaming Show, and today, well, my videos aren't uploading. They're kind of long, but I got a surprise for you. I bought a fidget spinner when I was in Myrtle Beach. It was a white one. I gave it to my friend because it wasn't spinning well, right? And I got it back from him by trading him something. I traded him the other spinner that I made on the. No, wait a minute. I can't say yet because that was in one of the videos, the fidget spinner tricks. But, well, here it is. I colored it. He colored it like all over, like this blue crap at first, and it was like crappy looking, and it was showing white everywhere. Here, let me get in a light. But this is what it looks like after I did it. See the buttons and stuff? There's some purple in there. I'm sure you guys can't see it because of the lighting. But isn't it really unique and stuff? And I'm going to see if I can sell it for more. This is supposed to be in the middle right here, but that's the part that was causing the problems. Wait, guys. Sorry. See? Wait, this is weird. Okay. Something's happening. So this is the part that was supposed to spin and stuff, but it's not weird. Oh, I effed it up. Sorry, guys. There. So, see, this right here was supposed to be the part in the middle, and I switched it with a bearing that was on the outside, and now it looks like really cool and rich. And then I just super glued this in, and it spins well. Here, I'll even show you. Oops. There. Ooh. I don't need that. Yeah. But just letting you know, guys. Oh my god. This tablet's a piece of crap. It's not. Okay, now I'm upside down. I don't know what the hell is. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, what I don't know. Well, I'm saving up for a smart TV. I'm gonna buy one. If you didn't see my last video, it was about my TV getting smashed. But yeah. But don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Typical Logan is out, and subscribe if you like this fidget spinner. Subscribe if you wear socks. Subscribe if you want. I'm out.